Welcome to Ion Water Solutions. Today we will be showcasing the 06 product range. Included in your purchase will be all the elements required for installation, including the attachments and an easy-to-follow step-by-step manual. The 06 series brings a refreshed, modern look compared to the original 01 series. Simple lines create the contemporary style that will match perfectly with today's kitchen. It is designed to keep your ionizer machine above the counter and feeds water directly to your machine. It also features a quick release nut for easy removal of your water ionizer machine.